Bonjour et bienvenue à Language Place. Dans cette leçon, on va s'occuper du temps futur proche. Le futur proche. Dans cette leçon, il est question d'un sujet vraiment spécial, le futur proche. What is the future proche? Future proche simply means future tense. But something special about this tense is you use it to talk about actions that will happen very soon. Something you will do very soon. Ce temps s'utilise pour exprimer une action qui se passera dans l'avenir très proche. This means this tense is used to express an action that will happen in the nearest future. Okay, so how do we conjugate verbs in future proche? Remember, it's a tense. How do we conjugate verbs in future proche? You simply have to know how to conjugate the verb aller to conjugate every other verb in future proche. For example, if I want to say I will dance using the tense future proche, how do I say it? I simply will conjugate this verb aller with the verb to dance. The verb aller will be conjugated in présent de l'indicatif. Présent de l'indicatif, that is present tense. So to say I will dance, I conjugate this, which is je vais then dance, danser. Je vais danser. That is the simple definition of future proche. So if I want to say you will dance, I say tu vas danser. If I want to say he will dance, I say il va danser. And it goes on and on and on. So let's see these sentences and conjugate these verbs in future proche. Les détracteurs dash enlever la fille du ministre aujourd'hui. Les détracteurs dash enlever la fille du ministre aujourd'hui. How do we conjugate this verb in future proche? You just have to conjugate the verb aller in front of it and it becomes conjugated in future proche. So what is aller with les détracteurs? That gives us vont. Les détracteurs vont enlever la fille du ministre aujourd'hui. This means the critics will kidnap. The critics will kidnap. You can see that is future tense. The critics will kidnap the daughter of the minister today, or the minister's daughter today. The critics will kidnap the minister's daughter today. Will kidnap is future proche. Yeah. That is, they are going to kidnap very soon. Now, let's say the second sentence. Mon père est crédule. Sans aucun doute, il croit toute l'histoire. This should be also in future proche. That means I'll conjugate the verb aller, and that gives me il va croire toute l'histoire. Why is it va? Because we are talking about il, and this il is talking about mon père. Mon père est crédule, sans aucun doute, il va croire toute l'histoire. Bon, le prochain exemple. Je me promener à 15 heures. Je vais me promener à 15 heures. This means I'm going to take a walk by 3 o'clock. I'm going to take a walk at 3 o'clock. Je vais me promener à 15 heures. This is the verb se promener. Se promener, which means to take a walk. Se promener means to take a walk. So, je vais me promener à 15 heures. So, the next sentence. Si mon père voit la pièce en désordre, il va se fâcher. Il va se fâcher. Si mon père voit la pièce en désordre, il va se fâcher. This means if my father sees the room in disorder, he will get angry. If my father sees this room as untidy as it is, he will get angry. Se fâcher means to get angry. se fâcher. Il va se fâcher. So the secret to conjugating every verb in future tense is aller. Know how to conjugate the verb aller, add it to the verb, and you've already expressed your actions in futur proche. Bon, sur ce, je vais m'arrêter et on se verra dans le prochain épisode. Merci et à la prochaine.